Hi, so in this video we're going to cover the idea of eyes wide open. This is a book that I wrote that's about how family courts work, and it's got lots of helpful tips on it for litigants in person of how to go through the process and what to keep your eyes open for. Now, the reason why I think eyes wide open is really important, to my understanding as a litigant in person, you need to have your eye on a number of different factors, and I'm going to cover that in this video in case this is of help to you. So I think you've always got to have one eye on what you can try and achieve by negotiation on the day, okay? So you've got to come up with proposals and solutions to move things forward and to see if you can get any movement with that at the court hearing itself, outside the courtroom. Now, if you make some proposals outside the courtroom with a lawyer or barrister, you can come to an agreement. It might feel slightly pressurized, it might feel tense, the lawyer could feel passive aggressive in style, but it's worth the go to come up with some robust suggestions and to not be fazed by the lawyer's personality or professional style towards you as a litigant in person. So that's one of my tips that I've seen happen regularly in family court hearings when I'm supporting people in these types of cases. Now then, you also have the next opportunity to go in front of the judge, and you have to understand the court processes as well. So have the other eye on how you're going to speak to the judge. It may well be that the judge will hear that your proposals are reasonable and might sympathise with those and may think that you're making good suggestions. So that's one way that you can move the case forward, by convincing the judge, who then may say to the lawyer, no, actually this is a good proposal, we need to move things forward. And so trying to keep an eye on the court process at the same time is also important, because if the negotiations are partly successful outside the courtroom, that's going to be helpful, but it may be that some of the issues still remain. And obviously lawyers like the issues of conflict still to remain, because it means they have to come back for another hearing, it means they have to charge their clients more, and it means it's a bigger case for their practice. So I think trying to look out for whether the matter might become contested or elements of it might become contested is important for you to understand if you're a litigant in person. If you want to achieve child arrangement orders or divorce finance orders, this is all relevant information to know about, and it's covered in my book, which you can buy direct from our website, and it's $14.99 plus postage. So I can also sell you a PDF or offer you a free 15-minute consultation. So if you're interested in that, just give me a call on 07906 956 035, and we can chat through your case and we can talk about how I might be able to help you achieve a positive outcome in family courts. Thanks for watching.